Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a professional-looking landing page on your existing Wix website. Whether you're launching a new product, collecting email signups, or looking to streamline your visitors' experience, having a focused and well-designed landing page can make all the difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a brand new landing page using Wix's built-in tools. It's quicker and easier than you might think. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're working on the website where you want the landing page to appear. This might sound basic, but double-checking you're on the correct site saves confusion later, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're in your Wix web design workspace, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu that includes several options, but for what we're doing today, you want Pages and Menu. This is where all the different sections of your website are organized. Clicking on Pages and Menu will open a list of the pages currently live on your site, like your homepage, About Page, Contact, and so on. Now, from here, you'll want to add a new page. So look for the Add Page button. It's usually prominently displayed, often at the bottom or top of your page list. Click on it, and right below you'll notice an option for Landing Page. Wix actually separates landing pages from standard pages because landing pages are designed to be simple, focused, and action-driven, perfect for things like campaigns or signups. At this point, Wix will show you a variety of landing page templates. Take a moment to scroll through these. You'll see options tailored for event registrations, email captures, product launches, and more. Each template features a clean layout with attention-grabbing elements, which is key for converting visitors. Pick the template that aligns best with your goals. For example, if you want people to sign up for a newsletter, choose a template with a prominent form. If you're promoting a special offer or a new event, look for something with a bold call to action and eye-catching visuals. Just click on your chosen template, and Wix will automatically add it as a new page to your site. Pretty seamless. But here's where you get to make it yours. Every template is fully customizable. You can edit text, swap out images, adjust buttons, or change colors to match your brand. Take your time here, and remember, the most effective landing pages are clear and to the point. Try to avoid unnecessary distractions and keep your messaging focused. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options, start small. Just change the headline and main image first, and you can tweak the details later. Don't worry if you're new to Wix or if some of these steps take a few moments to figure out. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and you can always preview your changes to see how everything looks before your landing page goes live. Think of your landing page like a storefront window. It's the first thing your target audience will see. So make sure it conveys the right message and looks inviting. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've added a brand new landing page to your existing Wix site. If you have any questions about customizing templates or want advice on what makes a landing page truly effective, just drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials to help you get the most out of your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.